This is a big no-no, and it's my fault. Not anything bad, but if you notice the end of the carburetor there, it happens to be leaking a little bit of the fuel and that. That's why you need an air cleaner on it. So anyway, I bought the blue air cleaner from Australia, Bligo. It's supposed to fit. Doesn't fit shit. So either I'm going to have to get a bigger one or I don't know. But the bike that was revving too fast, that means I have oil. You can see there's a little bit on the belt here. I used a little bit of WD-40 in here months ago. But like everything else, when these motors get hot, they bleed oil. I mean, the oil, you may think you have a little tiny bit of oil on something. It will get oil on everything. Oil and these belts don't mix at all. They have to be absolutely clean. So that's another thing I'm going to do. I'm going to try to find a bigger air filter. It'll fit. I don't know exactly where one is right now. And it's kind of pissing me off because I especially bought that blue one to work on this. Waited 3 weeks and it's the wrong size. Other than that, it's a great air filter. The brakes are working okay. The temperature is cooling down a little bit. And the carburetor seems to be doing pretty good. And this carburetor is a 30 millimeter, so you can see right here, 30 millimeter. It is placed with the stock jets at its highest clip level out of 5 clips levels. Usually when you get the carburetor, the clip level's in the middle right there. So if you raise the clip level higher, you'll get less fuel. If you raise the clip level lower, it raises the needle jet in here and you get naturally just more fuel. But that's all part of the tuning. You'll need to sometimes you'll need to tear a carburetor apart 20-30 times to get your jetting and everything set. It's not easy to do, but it's what we do. It's fun. It's fine-tuning your little bike to get the most power out of it. So I've got to clean all this up and redo everything again. I think I'm going to go in and play a game of Fallout 4. Just to get my mind back in the game.